Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Your main device must have internet and tethering capability. Enable required radios. Now open settings and turn on the mobile hotspot or Wi-Fi sharing toggle. Name the network and choose a strong password so neighbors cannot join. Pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed depending on nearby interference. Once done, confirm hotspot visibility and note the SSID and password. This lets other devices discover and authenticate quickly. Now connect your secondary devices. Open their Wi-Fi settings, find the hotspot SSID, and enter the password you created. For laptops or desktops that need wired access, connect via an Ethernet cable and enable internet connection sharing or network bridge on the host device. Make sure connected devices are set to obtain IP and DNS via DHCP. Only use a static IP when required and document the values. Additionally, once connected, test browsing and streaming to verify bandwidth and latency are acceptable for your use case. Finish by optimizing and securing the shared connection. Limit concurrent devices and enable data limits or scheduling if available to preserve speed. If some devices show connected but no internet, restart the modem or phone hotspot, toggle airplane mode, and check APN settings for mobile data. Also confirm cellular plan allows tethering. Make sure firewall or NAT settings aren't blocking outbound traffic, and if you need inbound access, configure port forwarding carefully. Finally, monitor performance and adjust band or placement for best signal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.